Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is an impressive appliance designed for spaces up to 900 square feet, making it an ideal solution for moisture control in basements, bathrooms, and other high-humidity areas. This model excels in functionality, combining advanced features with user-friendly operation, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its ability to effectively reduce humidity levels, thus preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. With a powerful extraction capacity, it efficiently removes moisture from the air, creating a healthier living environment. The built-in humidity sensor is particularly beneficial. It automatically adjusts the dehumidification level based on the current humidity in the room, ensuring optimal performance without excessive energy consumption. The design of the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is both sleek and compact, allowing it to fit seamlessly into various spaces without being obtrusive. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to relocate as needed, whether you want to move it from the basement to the bathroom or bedroom. Additionally, the quiet operation is a major plus, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful atmosphere while it works diligently in the background. Ease of use is another highlight of this product. The water tank is straightforward to remove and empty, and the device will automatically shut off when the tank is full, preventing spills and damage. Maintenance is minimal, with the filters being washable and long-lasting, ensuring the dehumidifier operates efficiently over time. In terms of energy efficiency, this model stands out with its low power consumption, which is an important consideration for eco-conscious consumers. The sleek digital display and intuitive controls make it easy to monitor and adjust settings as needed. Overall, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a reliable and effective solution for combating humidity issues in medium-sized spaces. Its combination of performance, design, and ease of use makes it a top contender in the dehumidifier market.